everyone, welcome to Ambalaya YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss with you that how to sign up with us as an affiliate. In the description box I have put the sign up link so you can use it to sign up with us. Otherwise you can simply Google as Ambalaya affiliate and find our application form. So let's begin. In the general section of the application, first you have to put your first name, your last name, your email address, confirm your email address, your phone number, okay. In the company section, you have to select your legal entity type. If you are an individual affiliate, then problem you can select as an individual. Then if you are an individual, then you can type here as an individual. Or if you are a company, or if you do have a website, you can type your website name here. Next section, you have to enter your address information. Address line 1, address line 2, your city, city postal code, then you have to select your country. In the billing section, you can enter your tax ID, VAT ID or SSN. Additional information. Actually, this is the most important part of this application. If you do have a Skype ID, then it is very easy to communicate with us. So you can put your Skype ID here. What are the verticals do you work with? Verticals mean what are the niches that you are familiar to work with. So if you are familiar with health, beauty, financial, so you can mention what are the niches that you are familiar to work with. What's your main payment model? Here you can select your payment model. What are your traffic sources? If you do have a website, or if you are planning to drive social traffic, or if you are planning to do SEO, so you can clearly mention that what are your traffic sources. Where does your traffic come from? Here you can select that what are the geos that you are planning to drive traffic. Then how you are planning to promote our offers. Here in this section, for an example, if you are into health niche, then you can simply describe here, what are the methods that you are using to promote our health offers. Or otherwise, if you are planning to doing SEO, so you can mention. Do you use incentive traffic? If you do have incentive traffic, then you have to select yes, otherwise no. How long you doing affiliate marketing? Here you can mention that how many years that you are into affiliate marketing, or how many months that you are into affiliate marketing. Next, most successful offers you ran in the past. For an example, if you are into health niche, so you can mention that if you are familiar with keto offers, then you can mention the offer name here. Offers or campaigns you expect from us. We want to know that what are the campaigns that you expect from us. So if there is any specific campaign, you can mention the offer name here. Your spends per month on advertising. Here you can mention your monthly budget on advertising. Affiliate revenue you generate per month. Here you can mention that how much revenue that you could generate per month as an average. Your income screenshots with other partners. If you are currently working with any other affiliate networks, then you can simply take some screenshots, your payment proof screenshots, and upload it to a Google Drive. Then you can paste the Google Drive link here. Provide your traffic references. So here you can, if you are currently working with any other affiliate networks, you can list your account manager details here, your account manager Skype ID or email address. So you can list your manager contact details here as reference. You are applying to our network. Actually, there are so many affiliate networks in this industry. So beside all of these networks, why you choose Ambalaya? Your comment will be more valuable to us to take decisions about to improve our company and our potential. So don't skip this question. Tell us why you think you will qualify. Actually, we are receiving a considerable amount of applications per day. So we want to know that why we choose you to work with us as an affiliate. Here you can mention that why you think that you are qualified. What's the best way to contact you? If you do have a Skype account, that would be great. Otherwise, if you don't have a Skype account, no problem. You can put your email address here. So then we can continue our conversation via email. How did you heard about us? In here, please make sure to specifically mention that how did you heard about us. If you have heard about us on YouTube, then you can clearly mention that you heard about us on YouTube. Otherwise, if someone refer you, so you can mention that you came from a referral link. Please make sure to answer this question specifically. Then actually there are a few terms and conditions you can see here. Make sure to read it carefully. Then you have to tick the checkbox. Then you can apply. Okay, once you have applied to our network, if your application is qualified, our team will assign your application to one of our affiliate managers for the interview process. Thank you so much for watching this video. All of you are most welcome to being a part of Ambalaya and earn massive volumes. Have a nice day.